Greeting someone.
Hello.
Hi there.
Introducing yourself.
What's your name?
My name is Sophia. And you?
Asking about someone's day.
How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Talking about the weather.
It's sunny today, isn't it?
Yes, it's a beautiful day. Ordering.
Ordering food.
Can I have a coffee, please?
Sure, here you go.
Making a request.
Could you help me with this?
Of course, what do you need?
Giving directions.
Excuse me, how do I get to the museum?
Go straight ahead, then turn left at the traffic lights.
Talking about hobbies.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading and playing football.
Making plans.
Would you like to go to the movies tomorrow?
That sounds great. What time?
At the store.
How much is this t-shirt?
It's $15.
Discussing family.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters.
Describing your home.
Where do you live?
I live in a small apartment downtown.
Talking about work.
What do you do for work?
I'm a teacher. And you?
Ordering at a restaurant.
Can I see the menu, please?
Here you go. Are you ready to order?
Discussing the news.
Did you hear about the new restaurant opening?
Yes, I saw it on the news yesterday.
Making weekend plans.
Any plans for the weekend?
I'm going hiking with some friends. What about you?
Talking about travel.
Have you ever been to Paris?
No, but I'd love to visit someday.
At the doctor's office.
I'm not feeling well.
Let me take your temperature.
Discussing music.
What kind of music do you like?
I enjoy listening to pop and rock.
Talking about pets.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog named Mark.
Inviting someone out.
Would you like to grab a coffee sometime?
Sure, I'd love to.
Talking about movies.
Have you seen the latest Marvel movie?
Yes, it was amazing.
Discussing sports.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play basketball every weekend.
Talking about holidays.
What are you doing for Christmas?
I'm visiting my family.
At a party.
This party is fun, isn't it?
Yes, I'm having a great time.
Talking about technology.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I'm on Instagram and Facebook.
Discussing books.
Have you read any good books lately?
Yes, I just finished a mystery novel.
At the gym.
Do you work out here often?
Yes, I come here 3 times a week.
Talking about future plans.
What do you want to do after graduation?
I plan to travel and then find a job.
Saying goodbye.
It was nice talking to you.
You too. Have a great day.
Thanks for watching. Click this for watch more interesting videos.